Last week, the Penningtons audited their subscriptions. 6 leaks were sealed. Dave's fishing documentaries died in 4K. This week, the youngest Pennington enters the workforce. The economy is not ready.
I'm opening a lemonade stand.
That's wonderful, sweetie. What's your startup capital?
$6 and a button.
And the button?
The button remains in reserve.
Sound policy. Better than most banks.
I'll be her business advisor.
Dave.
I have experience, Linda. I own a boat.
The boat has never once turned a profit. It has, however, turned a payment. Monthly.
What's happening?
I'm a business now.
Cool! I'll be in my room.
Saturday, 9 a.m. Corner of the driveway and Destiny. The stand opens.
Lemonade, $1.
Note the pricing. Simple, confident, no decimals to hide behind.
Sweetie, you should charge 50 cents. Undercut the market.
There is no other market, Daddy. I am the market.
Nobody trained her. This is important. By 10 a.m., Gracie had introduced a second product. Premium lemonade. Same lemonade, extra ice cube, $2.
People won't pay double for an ice cube.
Mr. Henderson bought 3.
Mr. Henderson bought 3.
I could sell things too.
You could sell the boat.
The boat is family, Linda.
The family disagrees. 11 a.m. A tip jar appears. It is labeled Tips for Gracie. It is a repurposed pickle jar. It is full.
Gracie, you should put your earnings in Bitcoin.
What's Bitcoin?
It's like money, but exciting.
My money is already exciting. It's in a shoebox.
Nobody asked Kyle. Notably, not even the 6-year-old.
I could run a second location. 20% cut.
What would you do?
Mostly be there. In spirit. From my room.
No.
The board has voted. The board is 1 child and a jar of pickles' former home. Meanwhile, Dave attempted a garage sale to reclaim his honor. He priced everything sentimentally.
That fishing hat is $40. It has memories.
The memories are yours, Dave. The buyer just gets a hat.
Dave's revenue by 4 p.m., $0. Gracie's revenue by 4 p.m., $31.50, plus tips.
She out-earned me.
She out-earned the boat, honey. You were never in the race.
And here, a very old book gets very specific. Proverbs, chapter 6. Go to the ant, you sluggard. Consider its ways and be wise. It has no commander, no overseer or ruler. Yet it stores its provisions in summer and gathers its food at harvest. The ant does not wait for allowance. The ant works, and the ant saves while the sun is out. Gracie is, functionally, an ant. A shrewd, lemon-based ant.
So, Gracie, what happens to the money?
3 jars. Save, spend, and give.
Who taught you that?
Sunday school. And the give jar goes first, because Miss Patterson says, God isn't a tip jar.
Miss Patterson deserves a raise.
Can I borrow from the spend jar?
9% interest.
That's outrageous.
That's your credit card, Daddy. I checked.
Here's what I want you to take away tonight. Kids don't learn money from lectures. They learn it from a job, a jar, and a choice. Let them earn something real, then split it 3 ways. Save some, spend some, give some. The amounts don't matter, the habit does. Work in summer, store like the ant. Next week, the Penningtons face the hard one. Can you tithe when you're broke?
Serious question. What about Bitcoin?
The ant does not hold crypto. Kyle, good night.
You know where I'll be.
Like and subscribe for more content. New episodes every week.